What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a microphone and instrument to your Titan Portable Array. So when we take a look at the mixer section here, you'll see that we have two channels, channel 1 and channel 2, that can both be used with microphones or line level signals. And channel 2 also has a high Z switch, so we can use a guitar or bass with this channel. So first let's go over how to set up a microphone to channel 1. So for that, I got my dynamic microphone here and an XLR cable. I'm going to plug the female end into my mic, then I'm going to plug the other end into the input of channel 1. Now to set the channel to mic mode, we're going to look for the mic line switch here on the channel, and we're going to push this button in to set the channel to microphone mode. Next, we're going to raise the volume for the channel. And to hear everything coming out of the speaker, we're going to raise the master volume knob. And then we're going to raise the sub knob so we can hear all of the low end frequencies coming out of the subwoofer. So now if I talk into the microphone, check 1, 2, you'll hear my voice coming out of the whole system. Now if you wanted to connect another microphone into channel 2, you're just going to follow these same exact steps. So now while I have my microphone plugged in here, let's go over the different features for channels 1 and 2. So at the top of each channel, we have the treble and bass knob, so we can affect the overall sound for each channel. So the treble knob can be used to adjust all the high-end frequencies coming through. So if I raise it all the way up here, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, you hear a lot more presence coming out of my voice, check 1, 2. And then if I lowered it all the way, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, you'll then hear that there's no high end coming out at all. And then I can bring it back in the middle, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, and then we have a more balanced sound. And then we have the bass knob to control all of the low end frequencies. So if I raise that all the way up, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, you definitely hear a lot more body coming out of my voice there. And then if I lower it all the way down, check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Now you're just hearing mostly high end, and then we can bring it back in the middle, check 1, 2, and then we got that balance. Below we have the reverb button here, which we can use to activate the reverb for the channels. And then across here we have the reverb knob to control just how much reverb we want throughout the system. So to show how it works, I'm going to press in the reverb button to activate the reverb. And now if I raise the reverb knob here, check, 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 you start to hear more of the effect. Now we also have channel 2 open, so we can plug in another microphone, or we can plug in an instrument like a guitar. So to do that, I'm going to take my 1/4" cable here and plug one end into my guitar. Then we're going to plug the other end into the input on channel 2. So now we can press the high Z button here. Then we'll raise the volume knob for channel 2. And then we're going to be sure to raise the master volume and the sub volume so we hear everything throughout the system. And now if I play, you should be able to hear the guitar coming out of the system. So I actually have the mic mode pressed in to get more volume out of my guitar through this channel, but if you ever feel like it's coming in too loud, you can always switch it to line mode, and then you can adjust the volume from there so that it blends in with everything else coming out of the system. So this makes for a great live performance setup since I can connect a microphone and guitar at the same time and have them both playing throughout the system. La 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 la. Very cool. And don't forget, we can use reverb on both channels by pressing the reverb button for whichever channel we want reverb on. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up a microphone or instrument to your Titan Portable Array. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.